Whiter teeth are possible with the VieBeauti Premium At-Home Teeth Whitening Kit. 5 powerful LED bulbs accelerate the teeth whitener gel to break up and dissolve stubborn stains caused by food, wine, smoking, and aging. The one-size-fits-all mouth tray snaps on and off the LED light easily for easy cleaning. The VieBeauti kit features dentist-grade carbamide polymer gel whitener in pre-mixed, mess-free syringes. The integrated 10-minute timer allows time to relax or do other tasks while teeth whiten effortlessly. So forget about expensive and painful trips to the dentist for teeth whitening. The Remineralizing gel is to strengthen tooth enamel and deter tooth sensitivity. Whiten effortlessly from the comfort of your home with the VieBeauti Whitening Kit.